One of my two new PSE engines arrived yesterday, just in time for Christmas, and the other is another beam engine. This vertical engine I ordered as a polished engine. They offer them both with a patina, I guess, to make them look older, or this highly polished brass model. And I really like the brass look. It's a beautiful engine, and although I don't have a way to run it on steam, which I usually like to do with all of my engines, at the moment all I have is the ability to run it on air. In my last review of my first PSE engine, I noted that the engine took 12 PSI to run, and after it was broken in for several hours, it was running on about 7 PSI. So we're going to see how this engine does right out of the box. So, right off the bat, this engine is running on 3 PSI. That's right out of the box. So a great improvement. This seems to be an improvement over my first one, and I'm glad to see that. I'm going to run the pressure up just a little bit. So that's only 4 PSI, and that engine's running very smoothly, very quietly. It sounds like the timing is spot on, and I am really pleased with this engine. If you aren't familiar with these, they come out of Poland, and you can find them on Facebook. I've ordered 3 engines from them. This is the second. The third one should be here any day, and we'll give a review of it. And I left it in the patinaed finish that they offer it in. So we'll see how that compares as far as the look. But this is really quite beautiful and fairly inexpensive engine, considering it is comes complete and running, well packaged in a wooden box and well insulated inside, so no damage to it at all. And we'll speed it up a little bit, but I don't really want it to run faster than that. That's about 6 pounds of pressure. Let's just run it all the way down here, see where it stops. Okay. Just below 3 pounds. Doesn't want to run, but at 3. There, we're right back at 3 PSI. So considering that's a total run time of about 3 minutes, I think it'll only get better as we run it. When I get a chance to steam it, I'll provide another video. I do already know that their engines are built to run on both air and steam, so I'm sure it will probably run even better when we get some steam to it. Thanks for watching my video.